So good afternoon, everybody. Wolf here again. Yeah, I'm back at Pillsbury State Park. It's now September. The year's getting on here, and I'm slowly getting caught up on my videos here. So I know, I don't know, you're probably not gonna see this video until October now, but I'm so far behind. But trying to get caught up anyway. And yeah, I pulled the bike out again. It's probably been a couple of years we've had this out, so I decided to pull this back out again. Went through it last week, got the brakes working right, got the gear shifting mostly working okay. So, not quite perfect, but okay. And yeah, ready to ride again. I took it out for a little ride around the campground here after I got here, and about all the way down and all the way back. It's probably about 2 miles altogether. I'm really out of shape. But nice to have this back out again. I think we're going to start seeing more of this incorporated in the travels coming up here. I'm even going to try to get the trailer hitch mount working so I can actually bring it with me easier. Because this is a pain to load inside the van and take it out again when I get here. So, And yes, I even took the kayak down too off the roof. I'm planning on using that a bit here. Got a little dented right here though, so obviously had the straps on the roof a little too tight. This is where one of the crossbars goes under. So I gotta do something about that so the kayak doesn't get damaged. But I'm looking for a better kayak. I don't have the money for one, that's the problem. But I'd really like to get something a little nicer than this one. Something, this kayak's okay. It was free, but I really need the kind that I can sit inside of and have an open top there because, yeah, I'm still a little scared of going underwater on that. I'd probably be a lot more comfortable with one that I don't feel like I'm going to get stuck inside of. But we'll see. We got this one for now though, and I'm definitely going to get it out onto the bigger pond out there while I'm here. But those are plans for tomorrow. So today, it's already getting kind of late. It's just kind of a lazy day. I did the hike through the trails, through the campground, and did the little bike ride. That's all I done today. I just kind of relaxing. So there wasn't really any reason to pull the camera out for any of that. But I finally decided to fire it up and do something with it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to make some dinner. Because I am getting hungry. What time is it now? It's already after 5, 5:15. So it's time for some food. So tonight for dinner, I'm going to make easy, cheesy chicken casserole. I've shown this dinner on here before, but it was kind of more of easy enough for me to say, in an experimental stage. But I think we got this recipe down now, and I want to try making it again. So to start off with, I've got some chicken strips. I have cheesy rice and broccoli, designed to be steamed in a microwave type setup, but we'll be using it here. We got some carrots, corn, and ragu cheddar cheese sauce. So that's pretty much all there is for ingredients, and this is really, well, we've got some cooking oil spray too. That's it. That's pretty much all you need for ingredients to make this dinner. It's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. So first thing we need to do though, we need to get the fire pit going. Not because I'm going to be cooking on it, just because I want it going. Now they got the fire going, it's time to start dinner. First we're going to wash my hands. Yes, I'm still loving this little pump sink setup here. If you haven't seen that video there about how I set that up there, go back a few videos. Well, actually quite a few at this point. But yeah, go back a few, you'll see it. It's pretty neat. Makes washing my hands so much easier. Just a little on the noisy side. Something's dripping. Okay. First step is to cut the chicken up. And by the way, I ended up Did you hear that? I don't see what tree fell. Definitely one just fell. It's not this one. I can tell you that much for sure. It was probably out there somewhere on the other side of the pond. It's quite loud though. I'm sure you guys must have heard it too. I can't see it. Oh, that was interesting. All right, let's get back to making food. All right, let's try this again without any trees falling down. As long as it's falling down out there and not here. I don't want it falling on me, my van, or my canopy, or my bike, or any of that stuff. But as I was trying to say, I ended up buying canola oil this time. But the prices are just getting insane. Can of the olive oil spray like I normally get was like almost $5 for the Market Basket brand. This is only about $2, so. And unfortunately I have to be budget conscious because I don't have a lot of money. So, till olive oil. I mean, olive oil, why is that so expensive? Alright, anyway, so this is what I'm going to be using for cooking spray for a while, I guess. Cheap stuff. Alright, so we got to get this chicken cut up here. Yeah, I don't know how well the tree noise came in on the video there, but it was quite loud to me. Okay, so as the chicken cooks, it doesn't take long for chicken strips. These are just 3 chicken strips, by the way, so 2 probably would have been plenty. I went with 3. So this is the Green Giant soft veggies, cheesy rice and broccoli. So you gotta cut the package open because it's designed for a microwave. Just drop it in. And as it heats up, it will cheese will melt, everything will cook up, and it'll mix right into the chicken. All right, so that ice is mostly melted now, so we're going to add the corn and the carrots to it. First, we need to drain off some of the excess water from these. Again, these are really designed to be cooked in the microwave, so they put water and stuff in them. Turn that off. Turn that off. Again, this is a dinner that you can make when you're solo camping, though, and it's really good. Enough. Just add these right into it. Put them in. All right. Because the broccoli and cheese thing doesn't come with enough cheese, I add a little extra double cheddar sauce to it. Quite a bit of extra double cheddar sauce, in fact. Now I gotta find some other meals I can use with this, because I don't like things like macaroni and cheese and that, so. Good though. Alright. Stir that in. So this is the finished dinner. And it's time for another root beer review. So, tonight we've got delicious vintage Americana root beer. That's tonight's one. Let's see, another Orca Beverage Company one, Orca Beverage Incorporated from Washington State. Ingredients: carbonated water, pure cane sugar, natural and artificial flavors again. I'd still prefer all natural flavors. Caramel color, pure organic honey. That sounds good. Extracts of licorice and sassafras root bark. Already sounded like an interesting one. Citrus acid, phosphoric acid, and sodium benzoate. Again, preservatives. Let's see. Okay, nice twist top. Not much fizz action to it. Smells interesting. Once again, no points on head. Looks good though, lots of bubbles in it, nice color to it and everything. Smells real good. I like this one. Not bad. Honey and the licorice, I can taste that in there. Yeah, that's good. Good combination, actually. Alright, so there you have it. Americana root beer. Very good. Excellent root beer this time. Alright. Let's see how this dinner is here. Get that out of the way. Let's see how the food is here. If I can actually catch it. Now this is good. Well, that dinner was really good. And now we're going to have a really good dessert to go with it. I'm going to have a strawberry shortcake. I'm just going to use the same bowl. No reason not to. Quick and simple dessert. It's also really tasty. There you go. And of course, you got to do that. Juice on top. There we go. We have dessert. Like I said, quick and simple. It tastes really good. So it got kind of late last night, and well, not late, but the sun set and getting dark, and so I didn't shoot any more video after what you just saw. I did, however, set up my oven, my little camping oven. I made myself some chocolate chip cookies. So, well, a couple burnt spots, but not too bad. They actually came out real good. So, love having that oven with me, even if all I did was make cookies in it. So that was about it there. So yeah, I've been here. This is now my last day here. I've been 2 nights here. The first night I came in, I didn't get here until about 6 o'clock. It was getting late, so I didn't shoot any video then at all. And then yesterday, most of the day, I just kind of in a relaxing mood. So again, I didn't shoot any video. So just kind of a quiet couple days. That's all. After the last several weeks there with work and all the issues with the van, and I've had to replace the front brake pads. I had to replace the caliper on one of the wheels. You haven't seen my tires, have you? Come on. I have a pair of Falcon Rubitrek tires on here now. The front tires are still the Firestone tires that were originally on the van when I bought it, but the back tires there, I put some Falcon. So what happened was the passenger side rear tire was leaking. I mean, you might remember this episode from earlier in the season there. I had a nail through the tire and I shot patched it and everything. Well, the patch failed, as you remember in the earlier video there, coming back from where was I? Savoy Mountain State Forest. Coming back from there, I had to stop every 20 to 30 miles to pump it back up again. So I got myself a pair of Rubitrex. Yes, I didn't get the Wild Peaks. Most of the people get the Falcon Wild Peaks, but I went with the Rubitrex instead. I think these are going to be a better tire for what I want to do, and they were a little bit cheaper too. They're $180 a tire. The Wild Peaks would have been about $210, somewhere around there. So these are a little bit cheaper. Really more of an on-road all-terrain tire. So these will actually perform a little bit better on pavement, whereas the Wild Peaks do better, a little bit better on the dirt. But you know what? I'm on pavement most of the time, so just these little spurts like where I am now is a dirt road. But yeah, I've got a couple of all-terrain tires, and I'm hopeful in the springtime when I've got a little bit more, well, hopefully in the springtime I will have a little bit more money, and I can get the front tires done too. What I'll probably do though is I'll probably rotate these to the front and get a couple new ones for the back instead. But then I'll have four all-terrain tires all around. But yes, this is a huge improvement for the van here, especially when I hit some dirt roads. So dirt roads, and these are 3-peak rated for winter use, so hopefully it'll give you a little bit better traction in the winter too. So first big upgrade for the van in a while. So that's it for this adventure. Still got the rest of today, so there'll be more stuff coming up. I'm hoping I can get the kayak out. We'll see. And probably bring the bike out for another ride. And just have a little bit of adventure here at Pillsbury. So remember, slow down, enjoy life, and always be kind. I'll catch you guys in the next one.